What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Daniel from DC HVAC. Check out his YouTube channel. Show him some love. He's been hustling the last week or two. You know, we go from extremely have nothing to do to extremely busy where he's working overtime. Let's go see what we're doing here, ladies and gentlemen. The customer, the homeowner, client, we've been coming here for a number of years, servicing their like 20 systems that they have. They just spent some big bucks digging out their basement to a height of 10 feet. Yep. I kid you not, ladies and gentlemen. Good old Rocco and RSM. Okay. So this used to be the elevation of the basement floor. Okay. So we have an egress window for this bedroom, an egress window for this bedroom. Bathroom. I have no idea what this room is, but ladies and gentlemen, you can't make this shit up, by the way. This is what... Oh, hi, Daniel. Wow. Hold on. I just made a thumbnail. That is a great effing shot. Bosch? Ooh. You know what they say? Finders, keepers, losers, weepers. You know, Tom needs a new jackhammer in Orlando, Florida, for the Pipe Doctor Home Services, Central Florida. Tom, what do you think? You think you can use this at work? I don't think anyone would miss this. Maybe they can crack open that safe right there. Oh. Okay, here's the goal. We have to isolate the hydro coil, right? With disconnect. Actually, you know what we're going to do? I have to look at the plans. I think there's a air handler going in there. Let's go see. Jesus Christ. Is Jesus Christ your Savior?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Well, you know, they have been changing that filter every 30 days.
Look at this hydronic coil.
Almost.
That worked a little. Wow.
Oh, we have plans.
It's plugged solid.
All right, regardless, I'm looking at the plans. Here are the plans. So this is the sport court, which is going there. Okay, but this looks like a sitting area, like a picnic table, a lounge area. But let's take a look at that right there, the powder room. We have a toilet right there, right? And it looks like 3'10" off the wall, the bathroom wall, is this mechanical room right there, right? So here's our flange. Bless you. There's the floor flange for the water closet. So basically we're inside here still because it looks like this wall is being framed out, but they haven't done chopping it up. There's this I-beam. Where does it end? Is it cantilevered off of this? I just don't get it. Like, where is my mechanical room? Is this still here? But I don't know. They have to, no, this has to be staying because this is a freshly poured cement.
Is it freshly poured? No, this was
they added this. This is the shoring they added to build up this foundation. Because the foundation ended here. The original foundation. This was our grade was right there. I don't know.
Really?
I don't know. All I know is that there's a floor flange right there for a toilet. Is this thing really dying on me and full of space? I thought I deleted everything, but there's our plenum base. 3'10" across, 20 inches tall. We got some foam tape. We're really gonna make this thing tits. So stick around. because you guys are going to love this episode. All right. So there's the base. That's the position it's going to stay in. We're using some foam insulation tape that's going on the top of this base. And then we'll put the top cover on top of it. We're not going to cut open the return yet because the GC has his own duct guys here doing that. There's a lot more work that needs to be done here before they start doing that. But so that's that. We're going to put this piece on top of there. We're going to secure this down, then mount the filter media cabinet. This should be snug. There we go there. I'm in there as well. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You know what? I'm playing it by ear right now. Let's F this horse as we proceed. Okay, we even got some foam tape on the bottom of the filter media cabinet. And I guess we need to do that side over there, but yeah, that looks nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, full disclosure, got screws in everywhere except for that one right there. Every time I try to put it in, it wants to go the other way and not cooperating. Got a nice piece of mastic tape right in the back. We're putting a row of the foam tape on the top of our filter media cabinet, and the air handler is going to rest directly right on top of this. This is going to be beautiful. All right, I'm just standing here. Nothing else better to do, but just standing here holding up the line set so it doesn't kink over there. We really got lucky on this job. My proposal included some line set modifications as needed to accommodate the new air handler. Love it. Absolutely love it. I would offer Daniel a raise, but I think he's maxed out for raises this year. Do you think you're maxed out for raises this year?
If you say so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you'll like more.
Yeah.
Hold on. Did I live up to the promise when you came aboard? I exceeded expectations. How old are you? 24 years old?
Yep.
God damn. And ladies and gentlemen, we're hiring. Daniel can't do it all by himself. We need one more guy. We have interviewing someone tomorrow, which is Friday, but you're not watching this video right now because this video is going to be posted while I'm in Florida because this is Mother's Day week. I pulled the evaporator coil. There it is right there. Because I wanted to throw some screws from the bottom of the air handling cabinet to our filter media cabinet. So I put a few screws in there, a few on the other side as well. And in the process of doing that, I actually cut a little bit of the insulation on the inside of that air handler, the factory insulation. So I just used some mastic and fixed that. I don't want to make sure I don't give them a fugazi job here. Go above and beyond. That's what we do at Pipe Doctor, like how we insulated between each component on this system that we're installing with the foam insulation tape. All right, guys, let me stop hanging around doing nothing and get myself to work. Oh, yeah. I left just enough room so you can get to the screws and take off the cover for servicing the blower motor. I know you're going to hate, but you know what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Man, I love my career and profession. Wow. Yeah, that's straight as can be. Thanks to this bad boy. This thing is awesome. Have you used it before?
Yeah. Cool.
It's awesome. Wow. Yeah, watch the dirt. Wow, it's awesome. I think that one of those Instagram HVAC guys told me about, who was it, George? Who's that guy that's always bending like crazy
I have no
on
idea.
Instagram? He's bending like he's like Beckham. He bends everything.
I don't know.
It looks like way overkill. He's always with the HVAC tactical guy or HVAC combat guy. What's his name? He's in Jersey.
No idea.
Oh. Anyway, he showed me this thing, and I love it. It's awesome. It's that time, ladies and gentlemen. 23 after 3. 23 after 3. Yep, 23 after 3. Here we go. I gotta admit, looks tits. It really does. I'm really feeling this Honeywell media filter cabinet. Look at that. It's magnetic. It accommodates a 20 by 25 by 4 media filter. Got that sitting right there on the return. Supplyhouse.com, they fucked up. They've been fucking up a lot lately, by the way, supplyhouse.com. I guess they are really real people because real people make mistakes, but over and over and over again, lately it's like once or twice a week I place an order. It could be 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm not getting it the next day like I'm supposed to. And it even says, being delivered today, but it's not because it's still sitting at their warehouse. Yep. They've really been dropping the ball, supplyhouse.com. You know what? I give them probably over $200,000 a year in business, and I don't know. I really don't know. But this job really, really, really came out nice. This is a little bit, there we go. More level now. Perfect. So we're going to allow the GC to, he'll cut an opening in this return plenum for the return ductwork that's got to go there, and of course, a supply work. This is all coming out. We're not doing this. It's not part of the contract. But as you can see, he's going to have to redo all the ductwork here, all of it, including that boiler with the safe next to it. It's empty, by the way. I checked it. There were some bearer bonds in there, but it said canceled on it, so I don't know if it's any good anymore. But I got to tell you, I wish this guy was my dad, because this is the sports court. Oh my God. $200,000 to dig out this basement, by the way. Incredible. My boy Rock with RSM does really phenomenal work. Look, he's trying to look for some loose diamonds in there, right?
Hidden door.
Hidden door. Yeah, you're right. What do you think weighs more, the boiler or the safe?
This door alone weighs so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. We just got a little vacuuming action to go on down outside at the condensing unit. Other than that, we're done. I was ranting and raving about supplyhouse.com. I ordered a 220 volt receptacle here with the plate that it's going to accommodate this switch and the outlet's going to accommodate the plug. So we'll be back here maybe tomorrow or next week and get this bad boy run. But it's wired. My float switch right there. It's going through, and I wired it to break R. So if thermostat goes blank, you'll know why. Something wrong with that.